tutorial, we are going to learn how to do an alternate version of foundation chains. What you need is a crochet hook. I am just using a 4mm and it goes up in size, and some strap yarn. Once you've got all of these materials, let's head over to the table and get started. See you soon! To start our single crochet foundation row, we are going to grab our hook and our yarn and create a slip knot. Once you've got your slip knot, just go in there and chain 2. And that chain 2 will be the starting point for the foundation single crochet row. So there's 1 and 2. We are now going to take our hook, insert it into that first single crochet that we made, and we're going through the back loop this time. Actually, not this time. We're just gonna do something like that. And yarn over, pull through, and instead of completing this single crochet, we're going to yarn over and chain 1. Now we're going to complete it by yarning over and pull through 2. And that is the first single foundation crochet row. And this just makes it better for the rest of this row. To start our second chain, we're just going to insert it into that first chain that we did. We want to go through both loops, yarn over, pull through, and it might be a little tight. You should have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and go through the first. You should have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and complete that loop. We are going to do that until we have the number of chains that we need. I'll go through both of those again, pull up, go through the first chain, just like that, yarn over, and go through both loops. That is how you do the single crochet foundation stitch. And once you've gotten through that first couple of stitches, it will get a lot easier. So there's 2. And there we go. So that's just an easier way to do a foundation chain. To do the half double crochet foundation stitch, just grab your yarn and create a slip knot. And that is very similar to how we start all our other foundation rows. So just like the single crochet, we're just going to yarn over and do 2. And those 2 chains start off that first half double single crochet. Oops, or rather the half double crochet stitch. Just remember, we want to yarn over, and then we are going to insert our hook right into that first stitch. Oops. There we go. So yarn over, pull through, and instead of completing this half double crochet, just like we did for the single crochet, we are going to yarn over, pull through that first loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3. To start the second one, we're just going to yarn over and go into that first chain that we made at the beginning of the row. And yarn over, pull through. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through that second loop, yarn over, and finish off that stitch. We are just going to repeat this all the way until we have the correct number of stitches that we want for our foundation chain. And this is a great alternative for just regular chains. And a lot of sweaters and a lot of garment patterns like to use this kind of foundation chains. Just remember to go through both of those loops. And there we go. And that is the half double foundation crochet chain. And as you can see, it is a little bit thicker than the regular half double crochet. And that would be the same for the single crochet as well. Here's 1, 2, and 3. There we go. So there we go. That's what it's going to look like. Just continue on until you've got the correct number of chains for your project. So the double foundation row is going to be the exact same thing for the single crochets and the half double crochets. And you are just going to be adding a chain within each double crochet. So go ahead and create your slip knot, insert your hook through that chain, and then yarn over and chain 3. We're just going to yarn over and complete a double crochet. So there we go. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through that first loop. You should still have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through that second loop. And that creates a chain just like we did for the half double crochet and the single crochet. And then we're just going to complete the double crochet like normal. And there we go. To continue on, we're just going to yarn over, go back into that chain that we made. You should go through both of those loops. Yarn over, pull through. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through that first chain. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all. Pull through all 3. Pull through the first 2 and pull through the second 2. And just like we did for the half double and the single crochets, we are going to continue doing this pattern until we have the correct number of stitches that we want for our chains. And there's 2. And like I said before, once you've gotten the hang of this pattern, it can go by really fast. And as I said before, a lot of sweaters and a lot of other wearable or garments like to use this foundation chain. And just because it provides a thicker foundation chain, and sometimes it provides a sturdier foundation chain than the regular foundation chain does. Even though it does take a couple more seconds to create the chain. Once again, I hope you guys have enjoyed learning how to do these foundation chains with me. So I hope to see you all within this coming year. And I hope you guys have enjoyed learning these new stitches along with me. And let's see what 2021 brings. See you soon!